Today, we're going to attempt to weld a broken flex pipe and see if it works. Oh, my car exhaust is getting kind of loud, and I finally decided to take off my manifold. And lo and behold, I have a big crack right here on my flex pipe. It's leaking. It's leaking pretty good. You can definitely see it. I'm going to see if I can weld this all the way around and just fill it with a solid bead. It's a shit show. It's going to be a shot in the dark, definitely. I doubt I'll succeed. I'll probably blow right through this, but it's worth a shot. This was the piece I used to dial in my welder a little better and to get the right settings. This is really thin wall pipe, just mild steel. Yeah, I don't know. Let me turn this welder down as low as it will go. It's not looking good. It seems like I might be able to do this. I'm blowing through occasionally, but I'm triggering it a lot. And that's the best way I've found to weld really thin metal, which I do a lot. The most common thing I actually weld is just really thin shit. So if I trigger it and just give it a little bam, 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 even at higher settings, successfully weld really thin steel. Let me turn up my speed a little bit. Going up to 4.1, seeing if that helps. Nice! Let me clean this up a little bit, I'll show you. Well, here it is, all said and done. Doesn't look the best, but I really mounted it up here. But it's sealed, and we'll see how long it holds. This will give me some time to grab another exhaust manifold. And this is my welder here. I got this one off Amazon, about $300. It is a MIG, TIG, and a stick. Night and day difference. From my old Harbor Freight 125. Don't get me wrong, this was a good welder, but this one, it is a whole different animal. I can adjust my inductance on this too. I almost dropped my camera there. And that's what I really like, the inductance adjustment. I can't adjust my frequency. We're not at that level yet, but oh, I love this welder. It's a DC 250 amp, or maybe 200 or 160 on the MIG, which I use the most. Definitely flux core MIG. Oh, and it has a gas setting too. I can put gas through this if I want. See the gas inlet? All together, it worked out all right. I never expected to be able to weld this. All right, that does it. I'm really shocked that actually worked out, but until the next one, thanks for tuning in. Don't do anything Jesus wouldn't do, and I will see you the next time.